Hey everybody, this is John with Run to the Thrills, and this is a room tour of 3511 on Enchantment of the Seas. Now I do want to point out that this is a very small room, so if you are sharing the room with somebody, just keep that in mind. It might get a little uncomfortable at times. I had this room to myself, and even then I just found myself running out of space, and I pack very lightly. And here is the safe. That's where you keep the money that you plan to lose in the casino, as well as your other important documents. I did not have a mini fridge in this room. I don't know if that was something that maybe it broke and it's just getting replaced or not, but I did not have one. I did, however, have one of the most comfortable beds I've ever had on a cruise ship. And they can split the beds into two twins, and then the nightstands will go into the middle. And then we have this giant pillar that comes through the room. I've never had or seen one of these in a room before on a ship, so if you've ever had a room with a pillar coming through it, please let us know which ship and room number in the comments. As you can tell by the dents of it, people have walked into it, so if you do end up with a room with a pillar, be careful. Going around it, as you can see here, it's very tight to walk around the bed. There's a small sofa underneath the TV. The sofa doesn't need to be there, it just takes up more space that the room already doesn't have. And the pillar does block the view of the TV, which does make this an obstructed interior stateroom, which I had no idea existed until now. Heading into the bathroom, no surprise there, it's one of the smallest bathrooms I've ever had on a cruise before. But there is plenty of shelving in there. You have your shower curtain and your 2-in-1 hair and body wash. And let's just take a look at that pillar one more time. And there it is. This is Stateroom 3511 on Enchantment of the Seas. I am John from Run to the Thrills, and thank you for watching.